Zane spoke. Now here we are. Hello, Tiger. Hey, don't scare me. Sounds like you need a train ride. Now in you go. When Zane double-checked, he accidentally started the train. What? Oh! Hey, wait for me! I better get on. Incoming! Now what? Now I'm gonna need a ride.
Did someone say ride?
Elizabeth, quick! Get me to my train right away. Almost got it. I'm almost in. Come on, come on. Zane kept on going on until he fell. Ow, that hurts. I hope there's a flight for me.
Did someone say flight? Come on, Zane. Let's take you to your train so you can catch it. Aha! There's your train, Zane.
Uh-oh, this way.
Hiya!
The train kept on going until it stopped. Phew, that was a close call. Yes, Tiger, we made it. Well, let's go see the boat.